Now, ASTO isn't the name of any particular tool or the name of any particular area. It's actually a term derived by Gartner to stand for Application Security Testing and Orchestration. And it refers to a number of tools. It's almost a category of tools, of which Uleska is one of the vendors producing the tool in this market. Now, ASTO products orchestrate security tools and testing. They understand the aspects of the application to be tested and have configured lists of tools to be run to organize that and actually be able to execute it. The ASTO tools work by automating the security tools, either open source, commercial tools where the customer already has license, or custom scripts that are created by companies like us or penetration testers to cover some of those 52% of the ASVS that isn't covered by other tools because they're more specific to the application. Automating these testing tools allows temporal security to be covered a lot easier because these tools can be orchestrated and automated nightly, weekly, or whenever a continuous integration trigger happens. For example, maybe a Git input or a Jenkins build. Now, ASTO tools also orchestrate these tools by knowing the best way to call them. They understand what aspects of a web, say a web application or an API or a web page, and what tools make sense to run against those different aspects. Maybe which tools are going to be storing, or which parts of a product are going to be storing information in a database rather than a flat file. And the ASTO tools also correlate the results from many security tools that have been run, bring them into one database, moving duplicates, and correlating the issues together. If you imagine that you're suddenly running hundreds of security tools, there will be multiple issues found, there will be issues that are false positives, and there will be different aspects of issues that are discovered by different tools. This all requires engineering effort to be able to bring that together and correlate them, and that's what ASTO tools can provide. The alternative is an individual or a penetration tester or security tester running these tools manually, having to bring the disparate outputs of various tools together and have that analysis. Now, with over 3.5 million unfilled cybersecurity jobs around the world, the cost and the ability to bring in those security testers is getting harder and harder for businesses. So in all, ASTO products allow customers to quickly automate and orchestrate multiple security tooling against all of their applications, quickly allowing them to know what security issues are in their current code or portfolio, rather than waiting 6 months or more and risking breaches within that time.